Alrighty, so I didn't do this Monday yesterday because I was up early in the morning, doing my thing. So I want to thank everybody who subscribed to me over the weekend. I've reached 2,000 subscribers, and I appreciate everybody who subscribed, everybody who's been dropping their comments. But this is going to be a video. It's going to be important for you guys going forward. So let's get into it. But once again, I appreciate you guys that's been subscribed and all you guys questions and comments. I appreciate that. But let's get to it. All right. So let's get into it. I know this video is probably going to get some thumbs down. I might even lose some subscribers, but hey, it is what it is. I have to. This is my brand. This is my business, and everything. So I have to. I'm going to start treating it like my brand and my business even more than I usually do. So, so I'm gonna let you guys know. If you're not a part of the membership, I will not be answering additional questions. Like if you're gonna comment on my videos and answering like how am I doing, or you're answering a question that's pertaining to the video, I will answer it. But if you're gonna message me on Instagram and Facebook and ask like additional questions like, how much am I selling my cars for? How much would I sell this car for? How much would I buy this car for? Or can I look up this additional information and stuff like that? I'm not going to do it unless you're a part of the membership. You don't have to you don't have to go out there and get the highest membership of 99 or $4.99. You can get the lowest membership of 99 cents. Like that, all that will show me that when you go get that membership of 99 cents, is that you're supporting me. And so if I see you're supporting me, then I will answer your additional questions. But I'm gonna still do it. Like if you guys, like, if I'm making a video and I ask you guys what y'all guys want to see at the auction and stuff like that, I'll still do that, because that's not any additional stuff. That's just me finding something at the auction. It's not me going out of my way and anything like that. But when you're asking like, oh, what do I market my vehicles? How would I market this vehicle? How much would you sell this vehicle for? What would you use? All this stuff that you guys are like, because I know a lot of, because people, I've been getting a lot of messages, and people message me on like Facebook or Instagram, be like, hey, I watch your channel and stuff like that, and then they'll just answer me questions, and then I find myself that I'm doing something else, but then like I'm trying to respond to everybody, and then I end up and then I lose track of what I was doing, and I stop there to respond to the person. So if you're not because what I was doing was, I don't know, probably was doing something important, but then I get loose, my tracker stalled and stuff like that, trying to respond and be nice to everybody. But like I said, I'm not going to be responding to you guys if you're not a part of the membership. Like I said, I know this might get some thumbs down, and you might even unsubscribe. Hey, if you unsubscribe, hey, I can't do nothing about that. But like I said, if you're not a part of the membership, I will not be answering your additional questions. Like I said, if you're asking a question about what's going on in the video, like, hey, if I dropped a video and I recorded a car and I didn't get the price, and you want to ask me what the price was, I'll answer. And if you asking like, hey, can you find, like, when I'm doing the next auction video, if it's a certain car, yeah, I will do that. But if it's anything additional, because like I said, it gets time consuming when I stop what I'm doing, and then because you guys be like, oh, can you give me some information about this dealer's license or wholesaling about in my state and stuff like that. So then I have to stop what I'm doing, look it up, find this information, then get back to you guys. And you guys continue on doing what you guys, like, while I'm looking up this information, you guys are continuing on doing what you guys gotta do, and I start what I have to do to try to help you guys out. So if you can help me out by just purchasing a membership, like I said, the membership is only 99 cents. You don't have, like I said, I'm gonna say this again, you don't have to go get the $4.99 membership. You don't have to go get the $1.99 membership unless you have to. Like if you get the $4.99 membership, that's when you're going to get direct access to me. That's when, because I have a few people that's got the $4.99 memberships, and we exchange numbers, we talk all the time, and they're really supporting, and we pass back information as much as possible. So if you want to get that information, that $4.99 membership, hey, be my guest. You're gonna get my contact number, and you can text me anytime. You can we can set up times to call. You can, like, if you have any questions, just shoot me a text and I'll do my best to answer. But like I said, if you're not a part of the membership, I'm not going to be answering any additional questions. Like if you message me on Instagram, like, and you ask me like, hey, if to be on like your podcast, or if you're doing a show and something like that, I'll do it. But if you're asking like any additional questions and stuff like that, just trying to help you out, because I know a lot of times people will support you when it's free and stuff like that. But when you're asking like, hey, you know, I'm not, cause I don't like asking for things. So like, and I don't like being a rude person or stuff like that. I just kind of stick to myself. So I don't like asking for stuff like that. But like, if you're gonna ask additional questions that's not pertaining to the video, I will not answer it. I'm gonna just state it again. It's gonna cost you at least a minimum of 99 cents, a membership, minimum $12 a year. It's not even $12, because once you do it, it's 99 cents. So if you have any additional questions, I'm gonna say it again. I could go out here and I can make an ebook. I can do something. I can sell you a program or something like that. I'm not gonna do that. I mean, there's nothing wrong with that and stuff like that. I've seen people do it and it works for people, but I'm not trying to do all of that, because that stuff gets kind of expensive. And yeah, it helps you, but once you get a membership with me and you're answering these questions, a lot of that stuff, nothing wrong with it, but a lot of that stuff is like, it gets outdated after a while. Like when you get the membership and you're answering these questions, everything that I'm going to be telling you guys is going to be up to date. It's not going to be something that worked 3 months ago or 2 months ago or something like that. Everything that you'll get when you're answering and talking to me, it will be always up to date information. So like I said, I mean, I could get on here and, you know, be trying to go get an ebook and stuff like that, but I'm not. I mean, I'm trying to keep it as simple and easy as possible. Memberships as low as 99 cents. If you want direct access to me, it's $4.99. So I just want to say that. So if you, like I said, if you're not a part of the membership and I'm gonna reiterate myself. If you're not a part of the membership and you're messaging me on Facebook and Instagram and stuff like that, trying to ask me additional questions and trying to have me call you and stuff like that, or be a mentor, I'm not going to be responding unless you're a part of the membership. If you're a part of the membership team, and hey, I got you. And if you're not, hey, just keep answering questions that's pertaining to the video, because I will, you know, me, I love to talk, and so I will always keep talking, and I'm never going to stop talking. So I will always drop in free game and free advice. So if you don't want to get a membership, just keep watching the videos and keep supporting, keep dropping the thumbs up. And I appreciate you guys again. I'm out. Peace.